Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Maritis Vlog. I show you how to make crochet and face mask adapter tutorial. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share it. Now I will show you how to start this. You need this yarn. This is a yarn thread, and this is a hook. This is a hook number 3. Then you make chains, so 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 chains. Then you add 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you put here and 20 chains, changing. Then just take this one and take this one. Then that is a first chain, the first row. Now here and a second row. This is 20 change. Then you make here and the last one, the last of 20. Then you make 3